again, we've got a demand equation, we've got a supply equation. We can go through and solve these and get the equilibrium price and quantity. The equilibrium price here is $6, equilibrium quantity is 2. And then now let's suppose that the government comes in and for some reason puts in a price floor. Puts in a price floor of $8. The price floor says that you're not allowed, you're not permitted to sell this item below a price of $8. Right? The price wants to get down to $6. Right? That's its home. It wants to get down to $6, but it's not allowed because somebody, the government, someone's coming in and saying that no, you can't sell it for $6. You have to sell it for $8 or more. And so what's going to happen in this market? And so if you're the demander, if you're the consumer, this was your demand curve. At $6, we were at equilibrium. You were consuming 2 units. You were demanding 2 units. Now that the government has decided the product has to sell for $8 or more, you're going to consume now less. You're going to consume fewer than 2 units. You're going to consume where the price floor intersects with the demand curve. So that $8 on your demand curve. How do we know what quantity this is? Our new quantity demanded? Well, we can plug our $8 back into our demand function. Right? So again, this demand function represents this demand curve. And so if you were to plug $8 in, we have $8 is equal to 10 minus 2qx. And hopefully we can solve pretty quickly to see that our new quantity is 1. So this quantity is 1. When the price increases to $8, demanders are only going to demand 1 unit as opposed to 2 units when it was at the equilibrium price of $6. But what about suppliers? What do suppliers think? I mean, if they were getting $8, they were getting $6 and they were supplying 2 units, now the price has gone up to $8. Right? I mean, if you were getting paid $6 at the office for working working the drive-through, and now you're getting paid $8, you're pretty fired up about that. Maybe you're going to want to work an extra hour or 2. Same thing's going on here with the suppliers. If they're making more money, they're going to be willing, more money per unit, they're going to be willing to supply more units to the market. And so we can figure out exactly how many units, what the quantity they're going to supply is by, again, plugging in the $8, the new price, into the supply equation. And so now we've got, again, here's our supply equation. So now we have $8 is equal to 2 plus 2qx. Again, do a little bit of math. Subtract out the 2. We got 6 equal to 2qx. Divide both sides by 2. And our new qx, quantity supplied, is going to be 3. And so the supplier wants to now supply 3 units to the market. Well, there's a problem, right? I mean, at $8, the supplier is supplying 3 units, but only 1 unit is being purchased, right? At this new higher price. Demanders only demand 1 unit. Suppliers are supplying 3, and so we now have 2 units that are sitting in a warehouse somewhere. We have this surplus of 2 that's been created because of this price floor, because it's a binding price floor. If the price floor were set down here at $4, the government says you can't charge any less than $4 for this item. Is that a problem? Well, no, it's not a problem because the price is $6. We're not charged, equilibrium price would be $6. We're not trying to charge less than $4, so it wouldn't be a binding price floor. But at $8, with the price floor of $8, it is definitely a binding price floor, causes a surplus of 2 units.